Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new word, manifest. It's a word that helps us talk about things we can see, feel, or show. Let's explore what it means together. Manifest means to make something clear or easy to see. For example, when you turn on a flashlight, it helps you manifest what's in the dark. When you show kindness, like sharing or helping, you manifest your good feelings. Your kindness becomes something everyone can see. Look at this tree. The fruit and flowers manifest how healthy and beautiful the tree is. Nature always shows us wonderful things. When you clean your room, your hard work manifests in the tidy space. Your actions show the result. Here are some other words that mean the same as manifest. Show, reveal, display, and prove. They all mean making something clear or easy to see. The opposite of manifest is hidden. If something is not clear or you can't see it, it's hidden. You can use manifest in a sentence. For example, my happiness manifested when I got my grades. It means your feelings became easy to see. Can you find how manifest is shown in these pictures? Think about what is clear or easy to see. Great job, everyone. Remember, manifest means to make something clear or easy to see. Keep practicing, and you'll learn even more amazing words. Goodbye for now.